Hi all, welcome to the video session of Adamsia. We discuss about the characteristics, features, structures, examples, life cycle. So first we go through the introduction of Adamsia. Adamsia is a genus of sea anemones in the family Hormatheridae. Species in this genus are mutually symbiotic with the hermit crabs. The anemone gets a place to live and discarded scraps of the crab's food in exchange for it help in the crab's defense. As these anemones grow, they secrete a horny membrane. It's known as calcinocere. It overlies the crab's original snail shell and expands the living space of the crab. This means the animal does not have to change substrate and the crab does not have to seek a larger shell as they both grow. So the characteristic features of Adamsia. The color is white, shading to chestnut below, with pink spots, rarely absent. They emit numerous pink condia when distributed. The disc and tentacles are always situated beneath the belly of crab. Habitat found on gravel, sandy or stony bottoms from 0 to 200 meter, rare on shore. Sorry. Then the structure of sea anemone. It is commonly called sea anemone and is a marine commercial which is frequently seen attached to empty gastropod shells in which hermit crabs live. In this example of commensalism, both sea anemone and hermit crab exhibit psychological traits. The anemone is carried to distant places by hermit crab and thus is helped in distribution and food finding, and the hermit crab is protected from enemies because the anemone is unpalatable and possesses nematoblasts or stinging cells. Next point, the adults are exclusively polypod and solitary and are readily symmetric. The body is cylindrical and is distinguished into a flat pedal disc, a column and an or disc. disc. At the joint of column and pedal disc, they are absent a few rounded cylindrical tubercles. Next point, pedal disc is flat, sucker-like and bilobed and this helps in attachment. Next is the skeleton is absent in Adamsia. Tentacles and mesenteries are in multiple of six. Staphnoglyphics too in the pharynx. Gonads are located on mesenteries. Sexes are separate and they reproduce sexually and asexually. This is the picture. They shows the points like oral disc, mouth, oral tentacles, column, syncytial tubercles. Then the example of an Adamsia is Adamsia palliata. Is a species of sea anemone in the family Hormathidae. It is usually found growing on a gastropod shell inhabited by the hermit crab. The anemone often completely envelops the shell, and because of this, it is commonly known as the cloak anemone or the hermit crab anemone. This is the picture of this example. Then life cycle of the Adamsia. These are marine animals. The life cycle consists of free swimming, planula lava, which then settles down to form a juvenile sea anemone that eventually grows into an adult. This is the picture of Adamsia sea anemones. So, thank you guys.